Hi Amorians, it's your favorite chef here and I'm back with another banger. If you know me, you know my recipes are field proof and you're going to love this one in particular. So I decided to do the street style grilled fish but with a little twist of course. Keep watching to find out how I made this. It was so delicious. The fact that the fish was big, I thought it wouldn't have any flavor, but it was banging 100%. So follow me and watch how I was able to do this alone as usual. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, follow and comment. Here in Zaria during raining season, fish are bountiful. Like you'll just be seeing big fresh fish in the riverside. So on that particular day I decided to go to the riverside to see what fish I can get, and I got this for 10,000 naira. The scales are removed, but just to make sure I scratch it again and I clean with some lemon and vinegar. If you follow this step, trust me, but you won't feel that fishy smell from your fish. So after cutting the inside and removing the intestine, I wash everything thoroughly, and here I am just making incisions. The reason for making incisions on beef or meat or chicken is so that the flavors of everything you're adding, your seasoning, spices and all, will penetrate deep inside the fish, especially since this fish is big. So after making incisions, the first thing I'm going to do is to season with some salt and seasoning. This is the first step. After that, set this aside and prepare the ultimate Suya spice, because this has a touch of Suya in it. So I added some dry chili pepper, dry ginger, some white pepper, paprika, negro pepper, cloves and my kulikuli, because you cannot make Suya spice without kulikuli, which is granite cake. So after that, I'm going to add some seasoning and salt. Then I'm going to blend this, or let me say crush this with my butchie mace grinder, and it does the job in no time. So after that, I'm going to add my Suya spice to my already seasoned fish. The reason why I am labeling or layering this seasoning is so that it penetrates deep inside my fish. I don't want a bland fish. So apply your Suya spice all over the fish, open the inside, add and massage it thoroughly. Now on to the next part. The street style grilled fish is not complete without that pepper sauce, so I'm going to make a simple pepper sauce. I'll be crushing some onions, ginger and my green onions. The reason why I'm doing this separately with the pepper is because I want to layer my flavors. We have something we call flavor building while doing cooking. For the pepper, I'll be using some chili pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some bell peppers of course, and the star of today, which is some carrot, just a little bit of that. I'm going to crush that too, not very small, just in between, and then I will go ahead and start making my sauce. In my pot, I will be adding some vegetable oil and that crushed onions and ginger, paprika and white pepper, and then let that fry until it releases all the juice. Okay, so take your time to do this. Don't be in a rush, because we're trying to build flavors here, and this will remarkably change the way your final result will look like. So after frying that, I'm going to go in with my pepper mix and then add in my seasoning and salt and also some MSG and thyme. I won't be overpowering this with a lot of spices. Just use what you like and you're good to go. You can also add fresh herbs like some oregano, some rosemary if you like that, but I'll be sticking to this for now. So after stirring, cover and let it cook for some minutes, and this is what we have, guys. You don't want to overcook this, because if you overcook this, the color itself will change from this bright red or orange to somewhat brown in color. So once you achieve something like this, your sauce is ready. I'll be adding that sauce to my fish, mold the inside, the back, the other side. Just make sure you massage it well, and then add some spring onions, green bell pepper, and then cover it in your foil paper. So here's the thing, I couldn't grill this on the charcoal. I had to improvise because the fish was so big. So I just pop it into my oven and let it grill. As my fish was grilling, I had to add some side to it. I decided to use plantain instead of chips that people were recommending, and plantain wasn't a bad choice, trust me. So after frying my plantain, obviously my fish will be ready by now. And now to the moment of the truth. Let's see what our fish looks like. Look at that thing. This is so nice. Kai, if you believe me, I've never made something like this that tastes this good. This was my best grilled fish recipe, and you need to steal this recipe. So I just dabbed the sauce on it and then added my Suya pepper, my fried plantain. Of course I added some carrots, just to garnish, because we don't like anything basic here. And then I'll be slicing some green onions, some bell peppers, just to garnish too. And I remember I have this oregano plant at the backyard, so I decided to add some oregano too. It is super overpowering, so you need just a little, okay? Now I'll be garnishing my fish, and then you can't make grilled fish without some slice of lemon or lime. And here we are, guys. Look at this. How much will you pay for this? Trust me, I was like, Kode and Kaima Sarkinza Zoni. He'll pay me like 3 or 5 million naira for this fish. I'm just kidding, but this fish is worth a lot of money. So guys, how did I do? Do you like what you see? I will share everything I used in the caption, the ingredients and everything. And this is what the inside of our fish looks like, guys. This is the type of fish you make for that odugu, your husband that takes care of you. Mijinki da ke kula da ke dinnan irin kifin nan zaki mishi, and trust me, sai wani soyayya da wani kauna ya kara shiga tsakaninku. This is the type of fish you make for your husband. Those husbands that take care of the household and the family. Trust me, the love and everything will increase after eating this fish. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.